Hey guys, today I am going to be going into my nighttime skincare routine. I filmed this video once before, but it wasn't very well planned out, so I wanted to go ahead and try to redo it. I am just now getting over a cold, so I look and sound a little off. My makeup is wearing off. Got off work, I just kind of started picking at my face and I look a mess. So it's time to kind of clean everything up, and I'm going to go ahead and go through that with you guys. At my bowl of water, I have all my products in front of me and we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I do, I'm going to put my hair out of the way using this little headband. So the first thing that I do when I go to get ready for the night, I go to remove my makeup. And what I've been using lately is the Soap & Glory Peaches and Clean. It melts the makeup away. So what I'll do is go ahead and get my face a little bit damp. I'm usually more aggressive than this, but I'm going to try to kind of chill for you guys. So once my face is damp, I'll take like a pump or two of the Peaches and Clean. So I'll take a couple of pumps, work it into my eye makeup, get it in my brows, and just kind of rub away at my eye makeup, and then just work at everything else. And as you can see, it's literally melting the makeup away. So I do this in place of makeup wipes. I just think that using makeup wipes can get really costly and create a lot of garbage, especially for how much I wear on a daily basis. So that's why I really like to use this product. So once my makeup is all rinsed off and removed, I'm gonna go in with my spin brush. This one is from Duval and it has a few different heads for it. So the one that I like to use is the exfoliating facial brush. It also comes with a little pumice stone for exfoliating the feet. It comes with a soft facial brush, and then it comes with a exfoliating body brush. I really like this one. You can see the size difference is huge. Obviously it's for the body, but like I said, I really like to use the exfoliating one. I just really like to get in there and exfoliate all the dead skin off, get all the makeup out. So I found that this brush actually is really good with that. It gets all the leftovers out. It just makes your face feel nice and clean. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And the facial cleanser that I've been using recently is this one from Vichy, and it's their gel cleanser. My skin's been going through a lot of like ups and downs right now. It's kind of like, it's normal. I just had a period where I was like breaking out, and it's probably because I switch my products so often, but right now this is what's working for me. So like I said, the Vichy cleanser. I'm gonna go ahead and dampen my face. Once I've dampened my face, I'm gonna take a few pumps of the cleanser in my hand and just kind of dot it on there. Wet my spin brush and then just let the brush do the rest of the work. Before I forget, there is a coupon code that I have for you guys. I will go ahead and put it right here. So this code is going to get you 70% off of Duval. So make sure you go and check out the Duval spin brush. I highly recommend it. And don't forget to use the code. It saves you a ton of money. So after I've gone and done this, I'm going to rinse off my face and I will go ahead and show you the next product. So once my face is completely cleaned off, there's a few different options or a few different ways this could go depending on how I'm feeling that day. So if I'm feeling like I'm having breakouts, my go-to thing that I usually use is from Shea Moisture. So for breakouts, what I've been recommending, or what I like to use that I find works really well for me, they have the Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Toner. This is the African Black Soap line from Shea Moisture. I think that this really helps when I'm getting breakouts. So after my face is freshly cleaned, I will go ahead and spritz this all over my face. And then sometimes I will even go in with the African Black Soap Moisturizer. This is just the moisturizer version of this, but I think that these really do help with breakouts. But if I don't think that I have an issue with the breakouts at that time, I like to go in with my number 7. This is the Protect and Perfect Eye Cream, and I really like it. It hydrates and it makes me feel like I'm more awake looking. And there's also the Protect and Perfect Serum. I don't usually wear a moisturizer. I just kind of go in with the eye cream and then the serum, but that's the 2 products that I use when I don't feel like my skin's going through a lot at that time. But today I feel like I need a little pick-me-up, so I'm gonna go in with my number 7 eye masks. These are just little jelly sheets that you put on under your eyes. I'll go ahead and open that. So you open it up and it's divided by 2 sheets of paper, and then you just go ahead and apply those underneath the eyes. And I have a ton of different types of face masks that I like to use. I have the clay, the sheet masks, the peel off mask, and that's what I'm going to be using today, is the peel off mask, just because I think it's messier to put on, but it's easier to clean up, and I feel like I need a little bit of that detoxifying feeling right now. So this one is the What a Peeling from Soap and Glory. It just comes in a little container, and it's like a bubblegum pink color. So I'm just going to spread this on like my T-zone area, and then once it dries I just peel it off. I'm like applying this looking in the viewfinder, so I'm probably making a big mess. I think I just got it in my hair. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and let the 2 different masks set for about 15 minutes, and then I will check back in with you guys once everything's dried. Okay, so I already went ahead and removed the little under eye masks. They were getting a little bit uncomfortable toward the end. And this is pretty much dry now, so I'm going to go ahead and peel it off. And then the little pieces that weren't completely dry, I just kind of rub them and they just kind of ball up and come right off. So that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. Make sure that you guys go and check out Duval. If you don't have a spin brush already, now is the perfect time to get it, because you again will get 70% off. I will go ahead and link the website down below, and again I will pop that coupon code right around here, and I will also link that down in the description as well. So make sure you guys check that out. And like I said, my skincare routine kind of switches depending on my skin, but right now this is what's working for me. So maybe in the future I will do an updated version and let you guys know what I'm trying out then. But that is it for this video, so thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.